Today we have a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Police Track Down Serial Walmart Shoplifter and She Denies Everything.
February 23rd, 2022, police were called in regards to a woman who isn't new to this channel, and she clearly has a serious shoplifting problem.
How you doing? My name's Officer Bros with the Fountain Police Department. Who's on pulled you over today? Do you know why?
No.
Walmart said you're stealing something.
No, I haven't stole anything.
Okay. Did they try to talk to you or stop, or do you have any groceries in here?
No, I don't have anything.
Were you just leaving Walmart? I saw you pull out of the Walmart parking lot.
Yeah, I pulled in there, but I forgot something.
Okay. You got your driver's license with you, ma'am?
No.
You ain't got no license?
Tiffany.
1 second here. Where you stay at?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said, so you don't remember anything about Walmart stopping you or anything like that? 'Cause they said they made it very specific that it was a white female driving a black Jeep with your license plate. And that you left all the merchandise there, but you didn't actually take anything.
No, I had gone in and I had forgot my bill code, so I came back out there after it.
Okay. Did they think was there a mistake? Maybe they thought you were stealing?
Yeah, probably was.
Okay. But you didn't actually try to steal anything?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay. Yeah, that's what they said. You left everything there. So let me write your name. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You shut your window, stay warm, all right?
Thank you. Listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I screwed up. I accidentally left my billfold in there. I was going to go out, but I changed my mind.
Okay. So I'm not 100% sure what they want to do yet. All they're going to do, they're just going to drive by and see if it was you or not. You mind stepping out with me real quick?
No.
Okay.
The only thing is my
Your purse?
billfold is in there. Tell them I will pay them restitution.
For your what?
I will pay them for everything.
No, you said your what was left in there?
My billfold.
Billfold?
Because, see, I made a total wrong call.
Okay, that's fine.
And I screwed up.
That's fine. Just go ahead and they just want to see you out here or whatever.
Okay. A little bit chilly now.
Yeah, I don't know why
but I was
Let's stand over here. Do you have anything in your pockets you're not supposed to have?
No.
Okay. I'll check for you, okay? You don't need to dig digging around there, okay? Just for the time being, I'm going to put handcuffs behind you, okay? This way you have to run away or anything like that, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
I would never run. That's not me. Huh?
You live in
No, I moved away. Right here.
welcome seats?
Huh?
Here, look at that car for me.
Tell them I screwed up.
Well, they want to pursue charges, so you're under arrest for retail theft.
Am I going to jail?
You are.
How much can I have my bill?
Well, I think, didn't you just get out of prison for theft?
I screwed up.
I know. Well, I think this might be a felony, so.
Is there any chance of me hopping my car's on?
Okay, we'll take care of it.
Is there any chance of me hopping and out of jail?
Do what about jail?
Is there any chance of me getting out?
Not until a judge issues a bond amount.
This is why people think that people go to jail to be rehabilitated. There ain't no rehabilitation going on up in there, okay? Yeah, I'm telling you. It's like a small percentage of people that go and then like they've learned their lesson and you will never see them there again. Most people repeat. It's a revolving door. The cop just said, yo, didn't you just get out of prison for theft? But guess what? Yeah, she got out, but she might have learned some new tricks that, a couple of the inmates might have put her on to. So now she want to go try out some of the new methods that might work. Clearly they didn't work. She's back at it again. Revolving door. That's what goes on. They do something, go in there, get linked up with some people, whatever. They might learn some new methods, man. all jail, all criminals, all that's what they there for. So what you think going on? Rehabilitation? No. They're learning how to become better criminals. Duh.
On you. I got screwed over. Is there anything in that car that's not supposed to be in there? Like drugs or anything like that? Okay. What do you want from the car?
Just my car keys.
Okay, car keys.
You probably spitting all over him and everything. God damn.
I'm gonna get the tow sheet started.
Do what?
I'm gonna get the tow sheet started.
Okay. Inventory. She's got court paperwork here from Franklin County, Illinois, on probation for meth possession.
Okay.
And then she's got looks like some little it's just a leg up there, like. But yeah, so
That explains the no teeth. Okay.
Yeah, there could be something in there. She didn't have any teeth.
Told you. It's funny the officer just said that.
Wallet. I would imagine the other officer did. I can't imagine him not grabbing it.
Well, it was inside of it.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll take her and take her.
You grab her,
I have her wallet and all that stuff.
Good.
So.
I have lost property. 505 Pepperwood.
What'd you say? Yeah, he's got your wallet.
Pepperwood.
She's cooperating.
She lost her wallet this morning.
Yeah, you can have your wallet.
8:30 in the area of Sappheiros.
Hard to get done, aren't they?
This one's a little easier. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Just very talkative.
Is she?
Yeah, that was all a mistake. Yeah.
TLE doors at the park the first
Oh,
time.
she should
Couldn't get out,
have
and then-
phone. Should have known better, and she would like to pay restitution instead of getting arrested. Yeah. See ya. You have to grab two with that thing because there's going to be another one called in shortly.
what is it?
Well, I don't know, Lexus of some sort.
Alexis?
Yeah. Lexus. They said they run the VIN number.
As long as it ain't all-wheel drive.
They're at Hartman and 50.
Hartman and 50? Okay.
On the street. I mean, like, yeah.
She ended up receiving retail theft. Hopefully, as of 2026, she decided to make a change in her life and stopped stealing.
Yeah, she ain't making no change from her life, stealing from. No. But man, as I'm watching the end of it, I'm just sitting there thinking, I'm like, damn, If you own a tow truck company and you get the contract with the police department, that's some good money, boy. That's good money right there. I ain't gonna lie. That's oof. Cause that's all they do. They towing them cars, man. To get your car back, yeah, pay this high ass fine, man. Or not fine, but you gotta pay the fee. Get your car back, man. Come up with that money. Anyway, yeah, she ain't learned nothing. Revolving door. She just left prison. She'll be back. Whatever. You know what I mean? 3 hots and a cop, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.